The Mars Hydro clip-on fan is an essential part of anyone's garden. Today I'm going to show you how to clean and assemble your fan. But first, before we get into the video, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the sponsor of the channel, Mars Hydro, for their continued support. From seed to harvest, they have all your growing needs covered. Don't forget at checkout, you can use my promo code TAPROOTSGROWING and save yourself some money off your order. Let's get into the video. Alright, so here's the fan. As you can see, we got the head of the fan and we got the base of the fan. It's very easy to assemble. All you gotta do is you gotta take the head of the fan and you just slide it right into the base. And then from there, you take this pin and you put it in and you just start screwing it. And you tighten it up until it's tight. And that's it. And while you're doing this is when you can also, if you loosen it a bit, you can adjust the angle of your fan. Can you see that there? You can adjust the angle of your fan where you want it to blow. So we'll tighten it up. And there you go, easy assembly. Easy assembly. Now all you have to do is go into your tent, take this part, and you put that onto your bowl, and it clips on. And it holds it right in place. Easy peasy. Such a quiet fan, you can barely hear it. Now let's talk about cleaning. Regular maintenance ensures that your fan operates at peak efficiency. The Mars Hydro clip-on fan features a removable grill for easy cleaning. So all you gotta do is twist to the side, pull off. That's it. Now you can go wash this in your dishwater if you want. And you can get a rag and you can clean this, which is what I'm gonna do because there's a little bit of dust on there and I need to clean mine. Once you're done cleaning your fan, it's time to attach the grill back on. So to reattach the grill, that's all you gotta do is put it back inside the fan. And we twist it. And it should lock in place. There we go. Now it's locked in place. So there you have it, a solid fan for a great price. You can also use the promo code 15 clip-on fans to get 15% off your purchase. So that's it for today. Thank you for joining me. Have yourselves a great day. Until next time, peace.